This website is called Padlet. Here you can create different pages where students can write and share their ideas and projects. In this Padlet, which a friend of mine did in her class, they posted their group works they did in their physics class. This is an example of how students can work cooperatively and share their projects. As you can see, teachers can give you feedback and they can assess you and your work you have done at class and at home. On the other hand, in this Padlet, you can see how students work individually, sharing their ideas of how you can use technology in class. This is an example of how students can learn with others because they can see, share, and learn from everyone's ideas and projects. This website is very easy to use and very helpful with learning with others. I would use it in my EFL class, for example, making the students create stories and posting them so everyone can see and read the text, learning from the others and with them. Children from primary education would find it very interesting because they would be using technology while they are learning. Moreover, they would not be necessarily working alone, as you can share the different pages. For example, if they create a song in the EFL class, they could share it to the whole class with the lyrics written on their post.